welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to a post-trip reset day in my life. I just got back from a 10-day trip, and you know that feeling when you get back and it's just like overwhelmed. You're like, oh my gosh, I have laundry to do, I have grocery shopping I need to get done, I need to get through my email inbox. Like there's just so much to do. Well, that's how I'm feeling today. We got a little bit of a head start last night, which I'll insert the clips. Like I drove back from Knoxville, got to Nashville around 4:30 and just like did laundry, did a little bit of cleaning last night. But today we have to get through work tasks. So I'm going to show you like how I reset and get back in the groove for work. And then I also have like personal tasks like meal planning and grocery shopping that I want to share as well. So here's just like an over-encompassing life, get my life together type of post-travel reset. So if you're going on a trip recently, or you got back from a trip, or even if you didn't go on a trip and you're just like, I need a fresh start. I know I post these on Mondays, so here you go, a nice fresh start for the week. I hope this helps motivate you, inspire you, give you some ideas for how you can kind of get back on track if that's what you're feeling like you need. It is 9 a.m. On a Tuesday morning, and I am going to head to my office. I just feel like I need to get some work things. I'm feeling motivated, so I want to take advantage of that motivation, and then maybe midday when I hit a slump, that's when I can like go grocery shopping and whatnot. So I'm first though gonna insert the clips from last night of me unpacking, doing laundry, that kind of thing. Give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It means the world to me, and I post videos weekly on Mondays. So yeah, check them out. All right, we're gonna unpack my suitcase. Sissy and Goose find it super exciting. And I'm gonna separate the clothes into ones that I need to wash, ones that I don't need to wash. I'm going to hang up in my closet. I literally got home from this trip 2 hours ago, did some work, ate, and now I'm one of those people that like has to unpack. I just need the stuff that's in my suitcase. So it's like, might as well unpack and start washing. And then I also need to like go and get all my products out. We have bathroom products I'll slowly put away, but my main one is laundry. So let's do that. Swimsuits, this is how I like to wash them. I don't even wash them. Like if I'm just wearing them to the pool here at my apartment, I normally don't wash my swimsuit after using it, which I don't know if that's gross or not. I feel like if I get in the pool, it's okay. But after a big trip or going to the beach, being in the sand, the salt water, I like to wash my swimsuits just in my sinks. This is what I do. I just do cold water with like literally hand soap. I know you can buy like bikini rinses, bikini soap. I find just hand soap works. And I let them sit in here. I do cold water so the colors don't transfer. I mean, these are like $100 bikinis plus, so I don't like throwing them in the washer. So I find that doing this helps get like the sunscreen off of them, helps get any residue, anything like that. So I let this sit for at least an hour, and then I rinse them out and let them hang dry. All right, it has been a few hours. The swimsuits have been sitting here, and the water is looking a bit dirty, so we know that they're clean. And I'm gonna rinse them and then hang them to dry. guys, today did not start how I wanted it to. I got to the office literally about like walking up to the door and I'm like, you know what? I took my key off my keys for my office key because I didn't know if someone needed to run in while I was gone, and I literally cannot remember anything from like a week and a half ago. So now I have to drive 15 minutes back to my apartment and get my key. Oh my god, today. It's okay. We're gonna turn it around. We're gonna turn it around. I made it into the office and I decided that since I had to go back to the apartment, and we decided to make a little pit stop at Ian Rose and got an acai bowl. I've been craving one like all summer and I haven't gotten one. So I was like, you know what? We had a little mishap today. It's okay. I'm gonna treat myself because I also don't have any groceries to a little breakfast lunch combo of this delicious looking acai bowl. I don't even know exactly which one it is, but it has peanut butter, bananas, peanuts, acai, blueberries. This looks delicious. So I am going to eat this and get started on a few tasks, and then I'll kind of talk to you guys about what else is happening here. And I need to like put the office back together a little bit, but it feels good to be back.
I don't know how to explain it. It's hard to quantify in 8 words.
Start planning out kind of my week, kind of my day. I already made my to-do list for today and have started working on that, but when I get back it's kind of like an overwhelm of like there's so many different things I want to focus on and it's hard to like narrow it down. I know this doesn't apply to everyone watching because not everyone works for themselves, not everyone has a business, does content creation, whatever. I am going to use this whiteboard that's like above my little standing desk here, and I'm going to write out kind of the big things that I need to focus on for this week, like to kind of get back into the groove. It's kind of just a normal week for me. I don't have anything huge coming up. I don't have any big content pieces due. I don't have any big launches happening super soon. It's kind of just overall. So we're going to figure out how I want to lay this out. So like, I don't have an intern this fall, which the past 2 like school semesters I have. So it is going to be different this fall. I just don't have an intern right now because I know I'm traveling a lot this fall, and I think instead of an intern I'm going to hire seasonal help like for packaging orders around the holidays, Christmas, Black Friday. So anyway, I can talk through that decision if you guys want, but my weeks are going to look a lot different, and now I don't have the structure of having an intern come in anymore, so I need to personally like create that structure for myself, but we'll do that separately. This is just like the big things for the week. So this is like not attached to the wall, so it's kind of hard to write on. So I know I want to work on like back to school promo for our student workbooks because it's that time of year. Wholesale, and like just working on my platform there to try to get more wholesale accounts. And I know I want to order samples for the new project. This is like our final sample ordering. TikTok's getting back into consistent. Okay, so my handwriting is not the best, but my top focuses for the week, this is like for Dream Daily specific, but I kind of do this in all aspects of my life mentally. So I have like a big focus for the week of like what I want to do in my personal life, which is kind of like getting back into a workout routine and cooking at home. And then for content creation, like, okay, I know I need to film a YouTube video this week. I know I need to work out some brand partnerships, that type of thing. But for Dream Daily has the most moving parts, so that's why I like to lay it out here. And this is the Dream Daily office, so you know, we got to have it in the whiteboard here. So then kind of what I do is after I look at the big focuses for the week, the big tasks that I need to get done, I then break that down into simple to-do lists for each day. And of course, time blocking and all of that. You guys know I love my workbook planner. Oh, it looks good with the red nails. Yeah, so I did that for today, and I'll kind of look ahead at the week and be like, when do I want to focus on fair? I did have that on my to-do list for today, but I don't think that's going to happen, so I may move that to tomorrow. So I have, let's see how many things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 things on my to-do list. Some of these things will take a really quick amount of time. I already did one of them, which was booking a flight. That was just like an easy one I could get done. But now I'm gonna work on getting those other to-dos done, just as many as I can before 3-ish p.m. Around 3, I think, is when I'm gonna try to go to the grocery store before it gets too busy. So that's kind of how I help with my overwhelm, is I think of like the big aspects and then narrow it down to daily, and then just try to get as much done as I can before the next thing I need to get done. 20 minutes, but I am dragging, so I'm gonna make a little coffee. We're gonna use my adorable chubby mug that I haven't used in a while. I'm also so ready for some fall creamers. Like, this is a good year-round staple, the brown sugar one from Trader Joe's, but I'm ready for the fall creamers. Maybe Trader Joe's will have some fall things today. Probably not. I feel like Trader Joe's is usually a little bit later. Okay, it's hitting that mark. It's actually past. I'm running a little late. It's 3:40 and I need to get to the grocery store. Workout is probably not going to happen today, but that's okay. Planning out my meals for the week, and I printed out my weekly meal planner. I want to share this with you, like my little process. I've been trying to do really good at it, trying to eat at home Monday through Friday, 3 meals a day for under $80 for one person. I'm going to try to do a video on that. So I'm like prepping that, planning it out. We're going to see how much this cost me. Let me show you what I'm planning. So here is the weekly meal planner. It's on my website. I'll link it below. You basically write your meal ideas at the top and then write out what you need from the grocery store at the bottom. So what I do is I go on Pinterest or like follow influencers. I love Clara Pierce. She does a lot of cooking content and I follow her recipes. She gets a lot from like Half Baked Harvest and whatnot. So I'll go on these different websites and I usually try to find usually 2 to 3 like big meals. Dinners are good for me, and then I can eat leftovers the next day either as lunch or as dinner the next day. So like this week I want to make a Greek salmon bowl, this broccoli cheddar bake, which is a new recipe, and then a pesto pasta. I try to do like 2 recipes that I know how to make, I've made before and I like, and then I try 1 new recipe a week. So it's that broccoli cheddar bake. Lunch, I also want to try just making like some buffalo chicken and making salads. Grilled cheese are a go-to for me, and like just some tacos. And then breakfast, pretty much every day I have eggs and toast, so I make sure to add that to what I need to get. So I just need to add, I think, like lettuce and some more things for this salad, and then I should be good, and we can take this to the grocery store, and then I kind of know what I'm cooking every day and have meal ideas ready to go, because I actually really love cooking and prepping, but I also know groceries are expensive. So we're going to try to keep all of this under $80. We'll see what the total comes to at Trader Joe's. We are at Trader Joe's. I also remembered I need to get some protein powder, so we're gonna do that. But I have my grocery list, my wallet, grocery bags.
The following podcast is a Dear Me.
It is almost dinner time, so I'm getting hungry. We have got to hurry though, and that's why I love Trader Joe's, because I'm in and out so quick. I am back from the grocery store and just back for the night in general till I leave for bachelorette night at my friend's house. I have about an hour and a half before I need to leave, and I need to make dinner, put these groceries away. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I did go over a little bit. I think this came out to about $90, so pretty close though, honestly, because I definitely grabbed some items that I wasn't planning on grabbing, but that I'm excited for or that I actually did need. So starting with what I did need, every week I get avocados, tomatoes, and sourdough bread, and eggs for my avocado toast in the morning. And then I saw this, which I was so happy I found, because I've had chili crunch on my avocado toast at restaurants when I was at the beach, and it was so good. I was like, I have to try to make this at home. So Trader Joe's came out with their own. It's called Crunchy Chili Onion, and I'm so excited to try this. So I wanted to get pasta. I've been loving rigatoni lately, and I just got one of my go-to sauces for that. And then I needed protein powder, so I got this Designer Way. I should like order a nice one from online, but this is just easy to grab. And then I've been wanting to do vanilla protein powder and orange juice together. I've had it before. It's really good. It's a quick protein orange Julius type smoothie. Oat milk, brown sugar creamer, mini flour tortillas for like breakfast tacos. Wasn't planning on getting turkey breast, but this is a great lunch. Love a turkey sandwich. Bananas for smoothies. I was also wanting a cereal, something to just snack on at night, so I thought I would try the flakes and strawberry cereal. This cheddar cheese stir recipe. Since these are the cameras. See? I got 2 types of lettuce. I got this cruciferous crunch. This one's really good for adding to like big salads. And then the spring mix. You guys know how I feel about Trader Joe's produce. It's not the best, but we deal with what we have. And then for proteins, I got like chicken tenders that are frozen that you bake. And so just an easy protein add. And then I got this salmon fillet. I usually break this up for 2 servings. And then some chicken breasts. So that is what I got. Honestly, I feel like this is really good for $90. It's definitely gonna last me this week and into the weekend. I'm excited to kind of try it out, see how long it lasts me, because I do really want to do that video where I like budget out and like literally track how much each meal I make costs, like down to like, I used 1 egg and 1 egg cost me 30 cents on this avocado toast. Like I want to do a video like that. So this is like my first little trial of seeing how this can last me. I couldn't not try the chili crunch tonight, so I put it on my salmon. Let's try a bite. It's really good. Spicy, but it still needs some salt. We're also gonna add some tzatziki for the rice. Just gonna mash it all up. So good, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat this. I'm starving. Yum. All right, I'm finishing up some work while dinner's cooking, but I also wanted to talk about something else I do to kind of prep for the week, reset after a trip. And even though I didn't get to work out today, I want to plan out my workouts for the rest of the week. And the easiest way for me to do this is using ClassPass. I have talked about ClassPass for about 6 years now. I love them. I pay monthly. I'm not sponsored, but I do have like just the typical referral bonus, like refer a friend link that I'll link below for you guys. It's always in my description box. The past few months, I've been using ClassPass for Cycle Bar and Pure Bar. So cycling, spin, and then also a bar class, and that's been really great. So I'm just gonna look at those 2 schedules for the week, decide the rest of the week when I want to work out, and I also like looking at the deals. So like it's all a credit system, so I pay for a certain amount of credits a month. A lot of times I only book the classes that are a good value, so a lot of times these classes are like 7 or 8 credits, but at certain times or kind of last minute, there'll be 5 or 6. A few this week that are 4 credits. So yeah, I'm gonna go through and kind of figure out what I want my schedule to be for the week. I'm thinking Thursday. Let's see, I won't share with you guys, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now to kind of prep this and have that ready to go for the week.